Okay, so this is the Mountfield HP164. This is using the Mountfield 100cc overhead valve engine, primer carburettor, so just simply prime the carburettor, pull the cord and away you go. This machine uses a polypropylene cutter deck, so it's lightweight but extremely durable. So this machine comes with a good sized grass bag. It's 40 litres and it's very easily accessible straight from the back of the machine, and it's very easy to pop back onto the machine like so. So this machine has independent height adjustments on each wheel, and they range from 25 to 70 mil, going through 5 different settings. This machine also has a 2-year warranty. There's over 600 service link dealers throughout the whole of the UK and Ireland, providing service and warranty for all Mountfield products. For peace of mind, this machine, subject to annual servicing, has 2 years manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by the Service Link helpline and over 600 Service Link approved dealers across the UK and Ireland. These Service Link dealers will happily carry out any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance required.